Hello, little friends! Today, we have a game with puzzle pieces. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go! The first piece? Pink. Where is it, everyone? This spot? That's not right. How about here? That's it! Look, a light purple piece. It has eyes. Here's its spot. And the next piece is white. Over here. Let's find the last piece together. Stay patient. Oh no, we are missing a piece of the chicken. Maybe we should find it together. Look, we have a puzzle challenge. Let's complete it to find our piece.
Let's go!
Blue. This spot. Green. Over here. A yellow marble. Let's put it in the yellow cup. The last one is orange. Ta-da! Here's our puzzle piece. Put it into position. A hen has soft feathers and a small beak. She lays eggs, takes care of, and protects her chicks from all dangers. The first piece? Where is it, everyone? Correct! Look, a yellow piece. Where is it, everyone? This spot? Not right. How about here? No. This spot. That's right, everyone. We have legs. They go here. And another pair of legs? Legs stay next to each other. Correct. The final piece? The tail. Hooray! Who is this, everyone? A tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes, sharp teeth, and strong claws for hunting. Tigers move very fast. They are known as very impressive hunters in the forest. Now, let's move on to the next animal. Put this piece in this spot. That's right. And add this piece. It's the head of the animal. It goes here. Oh no, we are missing a piece. Do you see where it is? Look, these eggs. Now let's see if there are any puzzle pieces inside. A blue egg. How about this one? That's an orange bird. And here is a yellow bird. And here is a red bird. It's a purple bird. It's another green bird. Hooray! Look, everyone, here is our puzzle piece. Let's put it back in its place. And we have a turtle. Turtles have a hard shell on their back, like armor to protect their bodies. They move slowly, but can live for a very long time. Turtles are gentle creatures. Their favorite food are vegetables, leaves, and small organisms. This piece with the lovely eyes. It goes here. Next is the pink piece. It goes in this spot. And we have the legs right here. That's right. It's a dairy cow. Dairy cows usually live on farms with humans. They are white with black spots that are very easy to recognize. Dairy cows create the top-notch, fresh milk we drink every day. Dairy cows are gentle animals that like to eat grass, leaves, and drink lots of water. Friends, we have the pieces of this hardworking bee. Now let's put them together. This is the head with big round eyes. Its position is right here. And this is the body. Its spot is here. We have blue wings. Put them back in their place. Hooray! Finished! Bees are small insects with wings. They live in colonies and are very hardworking. Bees make honey from flowers. Every bee has a small weapon hidden inside its belly, so please don't touch them on your own. A brown piece. Put it in here. Bullseye. Continuing with its lovely face. It's right next to the first piece. And put the body in its spot. Hooray! Perfecto! Oh no, we are missing a piece. Let's find it quickly. We have 3 ice cream cups. Can you name their colors? Red, blue, orange. Well done, everyone. Now let's see if there are any puzzle pieces inside. Red cup. Oh, nothing. Blue ice cream cup. Nothing at all either. Orange ice cream cup. It's our puzzle piece. Brilliant. Let's put it in its spot. We have a naughty monkey. Monkeys are intelligent, curious, and mischievous animals. Their long limbs and tail helps them keep their balance when they are in trees or jumping from one branch to another. Monkeys love eating bananas and fruit. That's an elephant with a long trunk. Now let's put the pieces back in their places. This piece is the leg. It goes here. And add another pair of legs right next to it. This is the head. Put it in here. And the big ears? Right here. Hooray! Elephants are the largest animals living on land. They are gentle and live together like a big family. Elephants really like eating grass, leaves, and fruit. Our final animal is here. Black and white pieces. The head part, put it in here. Superb! And the panda's arms go here. The leg pieces, put them in here. This leg goes here. Hooray! Finished! Pandas are very gentle and adorable with their black and white fur. A panda's favorite food is bamboo. Friends, today we have learned so much about animals. Thank you for learning with me. Goodbye and see you again.